Hi everyone, this video is about consistent and inconsistent system of linear equation. We said that a system of linear equation is consistent if it has either one solution or infinitely many solutions, and a system is inconsistent if it has no solution. We have example in which we have to find h and k such that the system has no solution, unique solution, and many solutions. So we start the solution by writing the augmented matrix of system of linear equation, and the augmented matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, h, 1 and k. Now we have to get the echelon form of matrix by using the row operation R2 minus 2 times R1. We get 1 minus 3, 1, 0, h plus 6, k minus 2. Now in A part we say that the system has no solution. So if the system has no solution, then this entry should be equal to 0 and this entry should not be equal to 0. That's why we said that h plus 6 is equal to 0, that is h is equal to minus 6, and k minus 2 is not equal to 0, that is k is equal to 2. We suppose that k is equal to 1. If we suppose that k is equal to 3, if we suppose that k is equal to 3, then the system, and h is equal to minus 6, then this matrix will become 1, minus 3, 1, 0, 0 and 1. So here we see that in the second row, 0 time x1 plus 0 time x2 is equal to 1 for this row, that is the second row. So 0 equal to 1. Which is not possible, obviously. That's why we said that the system of linear equation has no solution if h plus 6 is equal to 0 and k minus 2 is not equal to 0. Now in B part, system of linear equation has unique solution. If system of linear has unique solution, then h plus 6 is non-zero, that is h is not equal to minus 6 and k should be any real number. So if we suppose that h is equal to 7 and k is equal to we choose any k. So if we choose k equal to 3, then we have 1 minus 3, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we see that uh, 13, this will be 13. Yes. So here we see that now we have two equations with two unknowns. So if number of equations is equal to number of unknowns, then the solution then the system of linear equation has unique solution. On the other hand, you can say that there is no free variable. Okay. Now in third part, that is the uh, system of linear equation has many solutions if h plus 6 is equal to 0 and k minus 2 equal to 0. So the matrix becomes 1 minus 3 1 0 0 0. That is we see at here we have the number of equations. In this case we see that the number of equations are less than number of unknowns. Number of equations are less than number of unknowns. You can see that at least one free variable. If the number of equations are less than number of unknowns, or we have at least one free variable, then our system has many solutions. I hope that you like our video. Thank you very much.